What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the last couple challenges that I did. So let's not waste any time and get into that right now. So what we're looking at here is two additional 2-week challenge accounts that I've done since the last time I've spoke with anyone. The most recent one, you can see that it's still ongoing, but I'm going to talk about that in a second. The one before that, I would have been talking to everybody about this, where I was trying to pass a challenge using an EA because I've been getting some very interesting results with Hankotrade, FTMO, but I wouldn't recommend it with Oanda. Oanda, just the fees are too high, so not a good broker to use if you're planning to use an EA. But the second half of that challenge, it started off well. I was almost halfway into the target, and then that whole week, there might have been one day out of that week where there wasn't any news during the London-New York overlap. And I found it very difficult to try to navigate through it and try to take any profits out of the market. It ended up, I ended up losing, and you can see from looking at this here, you can see that I was down about $1,300 by the end of it. And at that moment, I had to step back and think about this. And this is why I was testing this several times, because I didn't want to take something like this to the challenge, to a 30-day, 60-day challenge with something that hasn't been thoroughly tested. Because oftentimes I find you may have a good strategy, but then it ends up failing once you have tested it enough, because you could run into a really good week one week and then just completely fall on your face afterwards. So I decided to step back and go back to what I know best, which is trading a bear chart, reading price action. And what you can see with this latest one here, this one here, you can see it's currently at 211,000. The target was 210. So what I ended up doing is I just stopped it today. That was after 6 days of trading, 11 trades in total, and then I ended up in 11,000, which was great. Yeah, I was going to try to take some more trades through the week, but I decided, you know what, I'm just going to stop, because if I was doing an actual challenge, I wouldn't be taking unnecessary risks. So I don't need to try to push this higher to impress anybody. I just want to show you that it can be done. And when we go down to this consistency score, this is something recently they've added, 57%. You can see everything passed right here, ending with 5.51%. And the win rate was 63.64. And here are all the trades right here when you're looking at them. Now, what I'm going to do for everybody is the next video that comes out, I'm going to explain how I took these trades, like what I look for when I'm trying to get in on a trade. Because if you're having any problems trying to trade smart money concepts or any other kind of thing where you're trying to read the chart and find the best entry, also I'll try to explain how I do it, and hopefully that can help you and add a little bit of transparency to your trading and make things a little better for you. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. But pay attention, because in the next couple of days, I'll come out with another video and try to help simplify this for you. So until next time, bye for now.